welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Esther Ogboli. You're welcome. So I know it's been a moment. It's been a moment. I'm stepping out, so I'll be doing my skincare routine while I talk. And so I'm looking down. Anyway, so I know it's been a moment. Like, so let me first start with the problem at hand. So I know that I came here to mention, oh, I finally found like who would repair my camera, right? And all that good stuff. So I'm like, okay, let me just chill for the camera. So while I'm chilling, like I won't vlog, like I won't do any video. Like, to be honest, like YouTube has not really been encouraging. So I'm like, okay, let me just take a break and not put like too much pressure on myself and whatnot. And maybe when like I have my camera, I would like I would be in the mood, like it will shall give me ginger, to vlog and whatnot. You understand? Oof, I feel like the way I'm talking, eating this microphone and audio might be one kind. Anyway, so yeah, that was what I thought. You know when they say God, human things, God disposes of it, something like that. Sha. Anyway, you get what I mean. So that was my thought. I'm like, okay, I'll just use this period and just like wait for my camera to be ready, and like when my camera is ready, it will give me ginger to vlog and to do different things. Okay, I was waiting. I called. I said, Alpha. This was like 3 weeks. I'm like, hello there, hi, Alpha. In layman English or Nigerian English, Alpha. This is my camera. Like, what's going on and everything. The guy said, oh, they're still working on it. Blah 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 blah. I'm like, okay, no problem. Yeah, I'll wait. The next 2 weeks, he called me. He said, oh, that they've repaired one part, but they need one thing. They need to order it. Blah, 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 blah. I'm like, okay, so what's the stuff? Like, I need to have details, you understand? He told me they need to buy, they need to shop, delivery, they need to order some things. So, delivery, tax, everything. In short, I remember I came here, or did someone, I'm just joking, and they said, or did someone send out my video to them and say, oh, this girl said you give her a discount? Because I'm just joking, but nobody did that. Because he now called me, he now said, so, my initial bill was 300 and something, that now my bill is now 400 and something. I'm like, from where to where? Like for 3 days, me and this guy, like we did breakdown. Okay, you're saying this. Like I just need to know that you are not like trying to collect my money or something. Like I had to ask him for a breakdown, which he now did. I shall paid. And I called the next week. I'm like, hey, that my camera, have they bought it? Blah 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 blah. That what's going on? What's the latest update? He said that they've ordered it, so they are waiting for it. So I'm like, okay, no problem. So when will this thing be delivered? I mean, when will it be done and everything? He said I should give him a couple of weeks. So I'm like, okay, when you say couple of weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. By the way, my camera has been with them for a month and 2 weeks now. Yeah, a month and 2 weeks. So he now said couple of weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. I should be looking at it. I'm like, oh my god. I just said okay. I didn't even know where to start from, because low key I was enjoying all time that I took off from vlogging to not just put myself under pressure. You understand? But at the same time too, I miss vlogging. I miss YouTube. But like I said, it's not encouraging. Anyway, so I've decided to drop like fashion content, travel content on TikTok. So I'm on TikTok. Please follow me. Follow me, please. My TikTok name is Esther Ogbole One. I want to believe that. I'm going to put it on the screen. Please, guys, follow me. So like I've started dropping like videos, like fashion content videos and all that. So yeah, and TikTok has been encouraging. Like sometime one day I posted a video. I kid you not, in 15 minutes, I had like 300 views. I couldn't believe it. I had to tweet it. I'm like, is TikTok real? Like, ow, like I just posted this thing and whatnot. So that's I said, oh, YouTube has not even been encouraging. Let me go to TikTok. And I'm really enjoying TikTok and all that. I've dropped like some content. So please guys follow me. Esobole one, I guess. I don't know. I'm going to put it on the screen. So yeah, guys, follow me. Anyway, I'm stepping out. When I get back, I would show you some of the stuff, like some of the things I posted on TikTok. But here, I'll just like show you guys like things I got, like winter outfit. I already posted some on TikTok. So I'll just like show you guys here and all that. So yeah, I'm back. Let's see how this journey will go. This YouTube journey. Yeah. I just said let me just do this. So I need to wrap up this vlog. Anyway, I want to pack, so I'm going on a trip. But I'm going to talk about that in another vlog, so you guys can have something to look forward to. I don't want to talk about it here, right? So I'm currently packing, and I need to wrap up my editing today and tomorrow so that this video can come out on Saturday. Yeah. Anyway, I wanted to show you these um compartment mini bags I bought, like I think last year or so, or early this year. Like it's just good for packing. I'm going to put the link in the description box. Hopefully I remember when I'm editing. But like if I don't remember, like if you guys don't see it, you can just ask me. I'll put the link in the comment section or something. But yeah, let me show you guys. I need, okay, I'm come. Let me get a chair. I think the bags, like the mini bag, are 12, or I don't even remember. I don't recall. So this is one. Yeah. So I think here I usually put like my perfumes, body cream, body spray, and all that good stuff. Yeah. Then this, I know this. I put my toothbrush, toothpaste, and my mouthwash. Yeah, this for sure, definitely. I remember that. This, to be honest, like I just put things that I don't know. This anything fits. Sometimes I put my slippers, like during summer, like when I travel, slippers. It can enter like 3 or 4. I kid you not. But this actually I started packing. I just said let me remember to vlog. But this time around, I'm putting this spray. I'm that finicky like that, and this wipes to clean like everything in the hotel. If it's possible for me to get my cleaners and clean the hotel again, I don't mind. This I usually put like my wigs, hair straightener, and all that good stuff. Yeah, this and I remember this. I've put like my sneakers there. This can enter 2 flat sneakers. I kid you not. Like it's so spacious. That's one thing I like. Like it's just the space. Then this my toiletries, body wash, face wash, and all that good stuff. And it has this stuff that like you can hang it on like the shower in the bathroom, right? This, love that. This, see, it depends on the things I'm carrying, right? This is also there as well. Then this is also there as well. Yeah, and that's it. Like it's really like it saves oops, it saves space in your box, right? And yeah, you're good to go. Yeah, so I'm packing currently. Yeah, well, I've not really, it's just my makeup stuff I've put inside this box. Yeah. Um, so it's just I'm coming. Like my smallest box is like I usually use it for my hand luggage, yeah. And this is the closest thing to my smallest box. Let me show you. Let me show you. Oh, my phone is saying I don't have space. Something. Okay, so this is the box. Anyway, so let me show you guys. Yeah, so I think this is my cue to wrap up this vlog. Now my phone is misbehaving. I still don't have my camera. I need to wrap this up. Like my phone is really, really misbehaving. Like I don't know. So let me just wrap up this vlog. I'll see you guys in my next vlog, and maybe when I'm done packing, I'll like show you guys. And maybe my next trip, I'll properly like do a packing vlog because I don't know what's going on today. I don't know. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.